everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to give a clear and easy to understand summary of the pros and cons of using Anyword AI. Now let's get started. You see, when you look at the data-driven optimization aspect of Anyword AI, the pro is that it uses performance data and predictive scores to generate copy likely to convert. For example, 20 to 30% uplift in campaigns. But the con is that it depends heavily on past data, making it less reliable for brand new campaigns. Now, if you look at targeted messaging, the pro is that it helps tailor content to specific audiences, improving engagement across ads, emails, and landing pages. But the con is that the advanced predictive analytics locked behind higher priced plans. That's right, the advanced predictive analytics is locked behind higher priced plans. Now, if you look at the template and the brand consistency of Anyword AI, you see that it offers 100 plus copy templates, brand voice settings, AIDA, PAS frameworks, domain-based customization. But the con is that it has limited long form, that is blog style templates, and occasional repetitive output. So if you look at the ease of use, Anyword AI has a beginner-friendly UI with Chrome extension and intuitive dashboard. But the con is that it has a steeper learning curve to use advanced features and integrations. Now let's look at the multilingual support. Yes, it supports about 20 to 30 plus languages for global content needs. But the con is that it has non-English performance that vary and integrations are somewhat limited. Now let's look at the pricing. Yes, it has a free trial of about 5k words. It has tiered plans starting from about $19 to $39 per month and unlimited words in business and enterprise tiers. But the con is that it has a higher tier pricing and analytics can be expensive. That is right. The higher tier price and analytics can be expensive and may detail small teams. Now, if you look at security and integration, yes, it has enterprise-grade security, Chrome extension, and API access. The con is that it lacks some direct integration, for example, Software and SEMrush. Some features are also limited to custom plans. So, what do users say about Anyword AI? From the Reddit highlights we gathered, Anyword AI helps marketers tailor their messages to their ideal audience. Marketers using Anyword AI see an average of about 30% increase in conversion rates. So another user says that its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing makes it a great option for students and researchers. So in summary, the strengths of Anyword AI is that it has a data-driven predictive scoring, strong template and kit support, brand consistent features, multilingual reach, and solid security. Now, what you need to consider is that it works best for existing campaigns with performance data. Higher level analytics cost more, and it has limited long form or blog support. And then some integrations are missing. So it is ideal for marketers, agencies, teams focused on high converting short form copy like ads, emails, landing pages, and those with budget for analytics. Hope you found this video helpful.